how to remove Gmail or phone number from Facebook. In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove your Gmail or phone number from your Facebook account. If you want to protect your privacy or simply update your contact information, this step-by-step guide is for you. First things first, open your web browser and log into your Facebook account. Once you've logged in, look for the three dots or the three horizontal lines and go to settings. Now here, click on personal information in account center. Now go to personal details. Here you can find contact info. Now to remove your Gmail address, tap on it and click on the email which you want to delete. Simply click on delete email. Facebook may ask you to confirm your decision. After that, the email will be removed from your account. Now, to remove your phone number, simply go back and in contact information, here you'll find your phone number as well. Simply tap on that as we tapped on the email and simply click on remove. And after you've removed your email or phone number, make sure to click save or confirm to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully removed your Gmail or phone number from Facebook and you know how to do it.